Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a Facebook avatar. Really easy to do. So you're basically just going to start on Facebook and you're going to go to the three white lines. It'll either be in the top right or the bottom right. So I'm just going to click on that, and some of you guys will have a white screen or a blue screen like I do here. If you have the white screen, you just want to click on avatars, and if you have the blue screen like I do here, you want to scroll down and click on see more, and you'll see avatars right there. So you want to click on avatars, and I'll just load it in here. And you have to start off with your skin tone. So we can start off with skin tone, just pick a random one here. And then you can choose your hairstyle. So take this one here. Then you click the check mark at the top. And you could either choose just to keep it like this, or you can choose close and stuff like that. So for the video's purpose, we'll continue on here. Let's do color. Then you could choose your face shape, complexion, lines, eye shape, color, makeup, eyebrows, color of the eyebrows, eyewear, nose. Well, there's tons of options on here, guys. Do any customizations that you would like. So I'm just going to go through here. Body shape, outfit, headwear. So there's tons of options here, guys. And then whenever you're done, you just click the check mark at the top, and then it will add it to your Facebook. And that's how easy it is. I really hope I was able to help you out with this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.